Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by isolating the problem. Boot into safe mode to disable third-party apps temporarily so you can test if pop-ups stop. Next, open settings and sort apps by install date. Focus on anything added in the last week because most offenders are new. Then run Google Play Protect and update Play Store components to rule out system-level issues. This combination quickly narrows suspects so you can take direct removal steps with confidence. Once done isolating, inspect apps requesting draw over other apps or notification access and uninstall any that match the timeline or behave oddly. Make sure to clear cache and app data for ambiguous apps before deciding to remove them. Sometimes corrupted caches cause overlays. If manual checks are unclear, run a reputable ad network analyzer or a malware scanner to detect hidden ad SDKs. These steps remove both obvious and stealthy ad sources, so your system stops showing intrusive pop-ups. After uninstalling suspects, reboot normally and watch for any returning pop-ups. If none appear, re-enable apps one at a time to confirm the culprit. If pop-ups persist, reset app preferences or back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort because this clears deep system-level changes. One key troubleshooting tip. If ads continue after reset, check your router DNS or network-level ad injection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.